हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इनफाइनाइट वाइटलिटी वाइब्स। मैं हूं आपकी हेल्थ कोच मीनू। इंडियाज रिच culinary heritage is known for its spices, flavors and vibrant dishes. But what happens when you are living with diabetes? Can a traditional Indian diet still be beneficial for you, or you need to reconsider your food choices? So today we will talk about both pros and cons to understand how we can tweak our diet a little bit to manage our diabetes better. Traditional Indian meal has a variety of fiber-rich food like lentils, legumes, vegetables, fruits and whole grains. Fiber helps in controlling the sugar spike because it slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. So it controls the rapid spike in the blood sugar level. Fiber not only keeps you satiated but also helps in digestion process, hence making it an excellent choice for diabetes. So options like whole grain rotis, sabzis, fruits, vegetables are great source of fiber. Indian cuisine is known for uses of spices. बट क्या आप जानते हैं कि कुछ ऐसे स्पाइसेस हैं जो एंटी डायबिटिक प्रॉपर्टीज कैरी करते हैं. सो स्पाइसेस लाइक टर्मरिक, फेनुग्रीक, सिनेमन, इन सब ने रिजल्ट्स लेके आए हैं टू इम्प्रूव द इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी एंड हेंस इट हेल्प्स इन मैनेजिंग द ब्लड शुगर लेवल. These spices not only adds flavors to your dishes but also offers a great health benefit which helps in managing your diabetes. Indian diet काफ़ी हद तक plant based diet होती है जिसमें कि बहुत सारी सब्जियां, fruits, दालें, whole grain, and this is a very good thing for a diabetic because plant based diet is generally low on unhealthy fats. Plant based diets are packed with nutrients, antioxidants and fiber which helps in maintaining the stable blood sugar level. Plus these are heart friendly, hence making it a less risk for complications which are normally associated with diabetes. Traditional Indian meal is often balanced in macronutrients. तो हमारी जो थाली होती है उसमें complex carbs होते हैं like रोटी, प्रोटीन होता है like दालें, and then fat भी होता है which is like nuts, seeds or maybe mustard oil. This balance helps in keeping the steady sugar levels. A balanced plate also means that it is low on glycemic load, जो कि एक diabetic patient के लिए बहुत अच्छा है because it helps in avoiding the sudden spike in sugar levels. Let's talk about cons of traditional Indian diet. While Indian food offers a lot of health benefit, but there are some dietary habits which may cause trouble, especially for those who are trying to manage the blood sugar levels. One of the biggest issue with the traditional Indian diet is that the larger consumption of foods which are higher on glycemic index. So foods like white rice, white flour, fried foods, all these food causes rapid spike in the blood sugar level. तो high GI carbs हमारी बॉडी में quickly absorb होता है जिसकी वजह से शुगर में भी rapid spike आता है. So it's very important that we shift to whole grains and avoid processed food. घी हमारे इंडियन किचन में एक स्टेपल आइटम है और इसके बहुत सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट भी हैं अगर इसको मॉडरेशन में कंज्यूम किया जाए. बट घी में फ्राइड किया हुआ फूड या एक्सेसिव इनटेक ऑफ घी कैन लीड टू हायर कंजम्पशन ऑफ सैचुरेटेड फैट्स जो कि अच्छा नहीं है बिकॉज दैट कैन लीड टू इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस इन योर बॉडी. सो डीप फ्राइड फूड लाइक समोसा, भजिया, ये टेस्ट में तो बहुत अच्छे हैं but we can't consume something which is unhealthy plus empty calories. This is going to make your diabetes worse over a period. Another issue is portion size. Traditional Indian diet में portion थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता है especially when it comes to serving of rice and bread. आप अगर हेल्दी फूड भी ज़्यादा खाएंगे, एक्सेसिव कंज्यूम करेंगे तो वो भी आपको वेट गेन की तरफ लेके जाएगा विच इज़ एक्चुअली डेंजरस इन डायबिटिक कंडीशंस. Excess weight will lead to higher sugar spikes in the blood. Managing portion size is key for the diabetic. It's always better to stick to a smaller portions and don't overeat. Let's not forget about the sweet delicacies of Indian meal. Though these are very delicious, but these are generally sugar laden. They are high on refined carbs, refined sugar and unhealthy fats, which makes it a total no-no for people with diabetic conditions. So to conclude, the tips to make tweaks in your traditional Indian diet is that switch to whole grain, portion control, include healthy fats and sweets. No. Even if you have to enjoy in moderation.